we have a great view of the highway from where I was just sitting, so I think I timed this well. I think I turned this route well. I saw a gap and I just floored it out of our parking space. This is going to be the shortest parking to highway speed we have ever done. Hazard lights while we're going slow. There we go. Alright, how's that for a start? It's like waiting, 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 go! It was like firing the pistol at the start of a race. That felt good. That felt very good, y'all. Let's get just a tiny amount of heat. Just a little tiny bit of heat. I like these new headlights. They are a little bit brighter than my old ones. A little bit bluer too, so I don't know if that makes a difference. Feels good. Feels very good. Good morning, folks. It's going to be a night drive tonight. It is like 8:45, 8:50 something maybe. I don't know. I don't know what time it is. How am I supposed to know what time it is? Sorry, it's 21:11. 9:11 p.m. 21:11. Goodness gracious me. Got a nice good start out. So we are 13 hours till our appointment time. Our appointment time is tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. Central. We are currently on Eastern time still. You do not need to hit the brakes there, dude. Let up off the accelerator a little bit, and then floor it into the turn because we're climbing. Into the climbing lane. Hazard lights. Boy, he just cannot decide what lane he wants, can he? Must not be too familiar with the Turnpike, I don't think. That one. Feels very good speed. Let's switch that over to night mode. There we go. That's easier to see. We're back to using the Qualcomm-based GPS because it's finally figured out that we're not taking the Pennsylvania Turnpike. So we are back to using that rather than my onboard, or rather than my own personal GPS. So it's superior, hopefully. Let's just aim for the far right lane unless it's got a line. Just the one truck ahead of us. Is he stopping? Yep, he's stopping. All right. Like 4 or 5 inches on either side. All right. Nice and easy. That was 100% floating gears for me, which you might have heard my transmission struggle a tiny bit as we got out of there, but not too bad. I have been too aggressive in the gear shifting, and I need to actually hit my service brake here for this turn. Not too big a deal. We're fine. Just gently tap the brakes. The engine brakes do their job. Gently tap the brakes again. Going around a 55 mile an hour turn at 60. No big deal. out of West Virginia into Ohio. Lovely, lovely bridge here. And here we go, landfall in Ohio. We've made it. 35 west towards Jackson and Chillicothe. 70-mile-an-hour speed limit. This will be divided highway all the way. Easy on the speed, Maxwell. We got a somewhat tight turn. Accelerate into the turn, as that gives you more stability. Nice bright night right now. The moon is extremely bright. I think we got a full moon tonight, or it was like tonight or last night. Full moon. So we are not wanting for ambient light. Gosh, who would do 70 through this? We were going really fast, I felt like, through that turn. And that was only like 58. Do-do-do-do. Welcome back, folks. We are in Chillicothe, Ohio. Normally, this is a pilot I avoid, but we weren't stopping for the night, just stopping for food. So, like, it's fine. Just pull through the fuel island, and that'll work. Stopped here for food. It is a nice pilot. I do like it. And my rule for this pilot, I think now, is it's fine to stop here for food, and it's fine to stop here for the night if I have a reserved spot or get there super early. No. Dang it. But yeah, no, we just stopped there. We wound up doing a 30. I grabbed some food, used the bathroom, picked up a couple of drinks, and by the time all that was done, we'd been there 15 minutes. And frankly, no one pulled in behind me at any point at the fuel pump. So I'm just like, I'm just going to stay here the next 15 minutes. I finished my food, so I didn't have to eat while driving. And then I only had to sit here and wait like 5 minutes to get a 30 in. So it's like, yeah, that's perfect. That is perfect. So there is the small issue that we might have to do another 30 later. Ooh, that was a rough shift. Sun is up and we are approaching Chicago, which means the traffic has like quintupled in the last half hour. It's exciting. We went to 80 west to 294. We'll take 294 around the west side of Chicago up to the, there's a couple of state routes that go west into a bunch of the commercial warehouse and industrial districts, and we want one of those. I am EZPass. Please allow me passage. this exit is because you have to go through the cash toll plaza.
0.3 miles ahead, take ramp and then merge left on Illinois 38 West.
Like we have the EZPass, but you know, the exit's over here. This is not actually the route that my directions told me to come in on. This is just a road that I know that happens to go there. It's like, well, I can take the road I know, or I can follow the directions to a place I don't. And I think the answer to that is pretty obvious. And that is the road I know.
6.3 miles ahead, turn right on ramp to I-355 North.
And apparently the road I know is only one lane. Sweet. Alright, who wants to let the big truck in? Anybody? 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 Yay! Thank you! Happy light blinks. We made it to our customer and out again. We are officially empty. Just working our way back to Illinois Highway 38. We'll head toward Interstate 355. 355 will take us to a truck stop. It's about 30 miles to anywhere with parking from here, which kind of sucks. Kind of sucks. Okay, I need to go left. I'm not super thrilled about that part, but
0.3 miles ahead, proceed ahead as name changes to Kirk Road South, then turn left.
Right side, we don't have to go to a customer to get our next load. Our next load's going to be brought to us. In fact, it's probably already there, to be entirely honest, because we took a while here to get unloaded. I used this road once as a cut between 38 and 64. Like on a different day, I think I was using this road just to get closer to a different customer. Because I remember looking out over that bridge thing there and being like, eh. So I've definitely never been to that customer before, but this intersection looks super familiar. Like from this angle, I mean. Oh, I know why this is familiar now. That's a customer of ours on the left there. Okay, yeah, no, I've been here before. I know exactly when I used that road last too. There was a day that this road was closed for construction, and I had to use Kirk Road to get to this customer. I had to come in on 64 and then come down Kirk. Yeah, all right. Hey, I am remembering things. That was like almost 2 years ago, probably. Or like at least a year and a half. Because I've only been driving 2 years as of like a week and a half ago. And that would have been early in my solo career. And we did that move. Alrighty, our cargo has been unloaded and we are safely parked at a truck stop about 30 miles from where we dropped off. Yeah, there's not really anything as far as truck parking up there, unfortunately, so we had to come all the way down here to Bolingbrook to get a parking spot. We are sitting right next to a friend of mine in another Palmer truck. In fact, we swapped trailers, so we're going to finish the run that he brought us tomorrow, and probably Wednesday too. So that'll be fun. We can leave nice and early in the morning. Just, you know, whenever I get to sleep, 8 hours later, we hit the road. So, oh, I'm tired. I am tired. I do not like the night driving stuff. Maybe tomorrow we can get back on a normal diurnal cycle. So I will see you guys then. My name is Eliodair, AsRanger17 on Twitch, Xbox Live, and Steam. Drop in and say hi and let me know if you enjoy the videos by clicking like, subscribe, or leaving comments, because those are awesome, and I do read them all. So thank you guys so much for watching, and have a great day. Also Twitter, you know, Eliodair, Twitter. Woo! Twitter!